I'm trying to review secrets of how sea snails manage to become some of the world's hardiest animals.
I am researching thermophysiology of intertidal crabs and its relationship with their geographic distribution.
I study microplastic pollution in Hong Kong's mangrove forest. Mangroves are Hong Kong's key ecosystem.
I research genetic variation of seagrasses in Hong Kong. This will help us with their conservation and restoration.
I study fish ponds, getting the knowledge that will help manage and restore Hong Kong's disused fish ponds.
We are documenting changes on Hong Kong's rocky shores to be able to better protect this biodiverse environment.
My research is about restoring Hong Kong's corals and to show that they can thrive in a metropolis if people take appropriate actions.